In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive files available offline. This is incredibly useful when you know you won't have internet access, but still need to work on your documents. Let's walk through this process step by step, making sure you can seamlessly access and edit your files anytime, anywhere. First, open your internet browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Drive. Once your search results come up, look for the first link, ideally one with the URL that begins with https://drive.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Drive login page. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to your Drive. If not, you'll need to log in. Just enter your Google email and password, and you'll soon find yourself in your Google Drive, where all your files are neatly stored. Now, once you are inside Google Drive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a small drop-down menu presenting you with various options related to your Google Drive settings. Next, look for the section that allows you to manage offline access. You want to find the option that says Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. You'll see a little checkbox next to it. Make sure that box is checked. By doing this, you are enabling your device to download and save your recently accessed files, thereby allowing you to work on them without an internet connection. Now that you've enabled offline access in general, let's focus on making specific files available offline. Start by navigating to the home screen of either Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, depending on the type of file you want to access. Once you're there, hover your cursor over the file of interest. While hovering, you'll see a small vertical ellipsis, the More icon, at the far right of the file's title. Click on this icon to access additional options. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Available Offline. Click on it, and just like that, your chosen file is now available for offline access. This setup allows you to continue working on it without the need for an internet connection. And there you have it. A straightforward way to ensure that your important documents are always accessible. With these steps, you'll now be able to manage your Google Drive files more effectively, even without an internet connection. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.